Hello and welcome to our video on what is VS Code. If you're new to coding, you might have heard about VS Code and wondered what it is. Well, in this video, we'll be answering that question and showing you why VS Code is such a popular code editor among developers. First of all, VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code, and it's a free and open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a versatile editor for developers working on different platforms. VS Code provides many useful features that make it a great choice for developers. One of the most important features is its IntelliSense function, which provides intelligent code completion, syntax highlighting, and error checking. This helps developers write code faster and with fewer errors. Another great feature of VS Code is its built-in debugger, which allows developers to debug their code in real time. This means they can step through their code line by line and see exactly what's happening at each stage. But one of the best things about VS Code is its extensibility. Developers can customize their editor by installing extensions from the VS Code marketplace. There are thousands of extensions available, covering everything from different programming languages to code snippets, themes, and more. Overall, VS Code is a powerful and versatile code editor that's easy to use and customize. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find that VS Code has everything you need to write and debug your code efficiently. Thanks for watching this video on what is VS Code. We hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials and tips.